This could be a great idea. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Honey Herd. If you are new here, my name's Paul. I'm a brand new beekeeper. I'm documenting my journey into beekeeping as it happens. Over the past few weeks, I found myself just turning on this camera, normally after an inspection or reading up on something or seeing something that interests me, and just making a few notes. And rather than just have all that footage sat on a hard drive somewhere, I thought I'd use it and turn it into something. This is the Honey Herd Field Notes. It's not a polished tutorial series. It's definitely not a how-to. It's more like a working journal, a mix of reflection and work notes from the apiary. It's going to be things I'm seeing, things I'm trying, things I'm thinking about, and decisions I'm making in real time. I'm really new into this journey and I definitely don't have it all worked out. I'm building apiaries, learning as I go, and making some monumental mistakes along the way. And I just want to document the thinking behind it all. Now, what about the Honey Herd videos, I hear you ask? Well, don't worry, they won't be going anywhere. And I'll keep working on making them more structured and properly edited, to the best of my ability anyway. These field notes will be a lot simpler. Just one camera, minimal editing, and me just talking you through what's happening as it happens. So if you're new to beekeeping, hopefully you'll find this very relatable. If you've been beekeeping for years, you'll probably watch thinking you'd do things completely differently, and that's fantastic. I'm always open to hearing other people's perspectives and learning as I go. I'll aim to post these regularly, at least 4 a month, or whenever there's something I feel that's worth sharing. Some might be 2 minutes, some might be 5, some might be a little bit longer, but I'll try and keep them honest and consistent. So yeah, that's the plan. This is the Honey Herd Field Notes. Let's see where it goes.